Welcome to our podcast. These are our 3 topics: appetizers, desserts, and kills in children's fictional characters. Yeah. Which one do you want to do?
What were the choices again?
Appetizers, desserts, and then kids and children fictional characters.
We should do desserts.
Okay.
Okay, you may start.
Okay. What's your favorite dessert?
I like dump cake.
You like what?
Dump cake.
What's that? Can you explain?
You put pineapple and cherries at the bottom, and then you put some yellow cake over it.
Oh.
And you eat it.
Sounds
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Mine's the chocolate meltdown from Applebee's. It's like a chocolate cake, and it has melted chocolate on the inside of it. It's really good. That's mine. Favorite
Okay.
dessert.
Next, I think I would pick red velvet cake with the coconut frosting on it, and then you gotta mix it with the vanilla ice cream. It has to be homemade vanilla ice cream. And you just like mix it all together, and it's so good.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah.
My next is probably brownies. Any brownies. I just really like brownies. Just chocolate brownies.
Pretty good pick.
Yeah.
Next, I don't know.
We'll just do 3 favorite desserts. So what's your next favorite?
Five.
Oh, 5? Okay, that'll be fine then.
Okay. Let's see. I'll do cookies.
Cookies?
Yeah.
What kind?
I like the double chocolate ones from Subway.
Oh. Okay. I like chocolate cake, but with vanilla frosting on it. It's pretty good. Yeah.
Next, cheesecake. Just all cheesecakes. I love cheesecake. They're pretty good, especially if you get that like peanut butter cheesecake from Blue Sky.
Oh. You like peanut butter cheesecake?
Yeah.
My next would probably be like any ice cream. I like cookie dough ice cream and chocolate ice cream though, but like any kind.
Yeah.
I think we have one more.
Yeah. I said. Yeah. Let's see what else is there. A lava cake, a chocolate lava cake.
Chocolate lava cake.
Yeah.
Okay, my last one would probably be a cheesecake, but I like plain cheesecake or strawberry.
Pick cheesecake again. I already picked
But
cheesecake.
but this is my opinion. I like cherry cheesecake.
But we're drafting our own desserts. You
Okay,
can't
fine.
pick cheesecake.
Okay, fine. I also like vanilla cake, just like plain vanilla cake.
That's kind of
Basic.
weird.
Or like vanilla cake with chocolate chips in it.
See that?
It kind of just like mixes together. It's pretty good.
Next, I think for my last, I would pick cupcakes. Just all cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
But like, not ones that have like a lot of frosting on them, because then they're like super sweet. They can't have like a lot of frosting on them.
For my next one, I'd probably pick pickles.
As a dessert?
Yes, but dill pickles as a dessert, yeah.
How many have we done? Are we at 5 yet?
5 or 6.
Okay, we'll just cap it here.
Okay.
My last one, sherbet.
What kind of sherbet?
I think the orange one is probably the best, or strawberry.
Oh, I'm not the biggest fan of sherbet, to be honest.
It's like almost the same thing as ice cream.
No, it's
sherbet
not.
is just
No, it's
fruity
not.
flavors.
Nope, sherbet is like way different than ice cream.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Anyways, my last one would probably be like just plain like chocolate chip homemade cookies. Yeah. Anyways,
Okay, so now we recap. So, I said, what did I say?
Here, I'll go first.
Yeah.
I said the chocolate meltdown from Applebee's is probably one of my first. And then also brownies, and then what else did I say? I said chocolate cake with vanilla frosting, and then vanilla cake with chocolate chips.
And then pickles.
Pickles, ice cream, chocolate ice cream, or cookie dough ice cream. And then plain chocolate chip cookies, homemade ones. I think that was all I said.
I said dump cake, red velvet cake with the coconut frosting mixed with homemade vanilla ice cream.
You said lava cake too.
You're supposed to go in order though, Sarah.
Oh, I didn't go in order.
And then I think that's when then I said the double chocolate cookies from Subway. We have lava cake, and we have sherbet and cheesecake.
Yep.
I think that was it.
Yeah. Anyways, so let's continue with this.
Let's see. I think
What's your favorite dessert at Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Mine's probably like cherry cheesecake.
Yeah.
It's
My
pretty-
grandma makes homemade cheesecake, so it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Out of us two, who do you think has the better dessert list?
Probably me.
So you have pickles as one of yours?
Yeah.
Maddie one.
What?
Yeah.
No. No.
Yeah, I would say mine's probably better.
I think mine is, but it's okay.
Yeah, you added pickles for a dessert though.
You know what's a really good dessert? If you like get a big dill pickle and then like cut it in half and then like kind of empty a little bit of it and then just stuff like Takis in it and then eat it. It is so good.
What?
Yeah. And then you can like put the top back on if you want. Then there's like a dill pickle with Takis in it. It's a really good. I like to eat it after my dinner sometimes.
That's gross.
No, it's not. It's really good.
No.
Anyways, yeah.
So that is the end of our podcast. Have a nice day.